Welcome back, Professor CBX, with another addition. Today I'm gonna put 15mm bar risers to give myself a little bit more rise in the bar, make it a little bit more comfortable. Lately I've been having a little bit of pain at the top of my spine for long rides, so I'm gonna unloosen the 12mm bolts here, put on bar risers. I've marked out exactly where my bars are with some tape and a mark. Alright, I've got everything loose, so I'm gonna take these off. Notice the protective green. So in case I drop anything, it doesn't hurt the matte finish on the paint job. These I'm going to keep. What worries me is the ones that came with the kit from Tusk, is that they're a lot longer than what goes in the new risers. Let's check them out. Here's the difference. Good hardware, really. Should be okay, actually, without the spacers that they said they were going to provide, but did not. Instead, we have instead of a regular bolt, we've got a hex system there. All right. Let's take it apart. Okay. Take the top clamp off. Notice I've got my mark to where I can put it back exactly where it was. The bar comes off. Bar comes off. Maybe. All right, so got the riser, the top bracket, and the new bolts all in order. My lines mark up, and I'm gonna just hand tighten until I use my torque wrench for about 26, 27 Newton meters, which is what it calls for. All right, so we're all in and all torqued up. Riser, top bracket, clamp. I'm gonna turn the wheel to see if it's got good clearance. Pretty simple. Once I got the torque wrench set right, it's a little bit of a gap, but they said that's normal. As long as it's tight, the knurled part goes in there so it can have something to catch. Hopefully it'll make the ride a little bit more comfortable. I was a little worried about the clutch cable. Plenty of clearance. No stress on it like I thought. Feels pretty good. A little bit more upright because I'm 6 feet tall. Seems to be a little bit tighter than what the factory was. It was too easy to get those bolts out. Let's take another look. Doesn't quite look factory, but it fits pretty well. It should do the job. It's only 20 bucks. I will review the results at a later date. Professor CBX signing off. Class dismissed.